There's a short Istikhārah Duʿāqq which says, Allahumma khtarli wa khirli, or khirli wa khtarli, for making quick decisions in Sunan al-Tirmidhi. Is this authentic? I believe it is, or I believe in this because it has a good meaning. This is a dua, and such du'as, if you want to do them regularly without believing that this is a confirmed sunnah, there's no problem with that. If we go to the scholars of hadith who graded this hadith, we will find that it is a weak hadith. If I recall correctly, Sheikh Al-Albani and others graded it as weak. And the authentic hadith is the one that where you have to pray 2 rak'ahs and then you say, Allahumma inna astakhiruka bi'ilmika wa astaqdiruka biqudratika wa as'aluka min fadlika al-azim, the long dua which you all know, inshallah azza wa jal. This is a confirmed sunnah. As for Allahumma khirli wa khtarli, this is not an authentic hadith. Is there any problem in saying this in sujood or between adhan and iqamah? Because it's a beautiful dua, there's no problem in saying it as a dua, but not to believe in it as a hadith, and Allah knows best. Abdullah from Canada.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My question is about the morning adhkar after Fajr Salah. If I pray Fajr Salah and I forget to do the morning adhkar, or because of time constraints I don't do the morning adhkar, is it permissible for me to do the morning adhkar later in the day, like after sunrise, or maybe even closer to Zuhr time? Thank you.
What is the purpose, Abdullah, of morning adhkar? Abdullah?
To recite it in the morning, of course.
What is the purpose of it? Why do we say it?
As far as I know, it's for like protection.
Excellent. This is what I wanted to hear. So, to answer your question, if you want to get protection from morning time till evening time, you have to say it, let's say 6 o'clock a.m. If you forgot, or you were too tired, negligent, and you did not say it until 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, then you're not protected from 6 till 11. The moment you say it, the protection begins. It's like your antivirus on your computer. If it's not activated, it's not going to work. If you deactivate it, you're vulnerable for attacks. But if it's activated, the moment you activate it, it starts to work with the grace of Allah. So, is it mandatory to say? No, it's not mandatory. But you're the one who's going to lose a lot of benefits from not being protected. That's all. So you can delay it, but with the threat of being vulnerable for attacks, and Allah knows best. Fadil from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
Sir, Sheikh, we know that Prophet ﷺ used to seek refuge from the knowledge that's not beneficial.
Correct.
Right? So, what will be the ruling on the knowledge that especially in Indian education system, is that they teach us about the biographies about the famous people and force us to memorize it.
Okay, so Fazil's question is crystal clear. We have a curriculum in school. We have 15 subjects, beneficial subjects such as biology, chemistry, physics, language, etc. But we have 1 or 2 subjects that we're forced to study, otherwise we'll not be able to graduate, that speaks about the Hindus or Sikh or things that have no benefit, none whatsoever for us Muslims. We're obliged to do it in order to pass the exams. And this is a problem if we say, okay, we seek refuge in Allah from knowledge that's not beneficial, and yet we have to quit school, then we will remain to be janitors and trash collectors for the rest of our lives. Not that these professions are bad, but they're not what we aspire to. We want to serve the ummah and the community, and they are serving the ummah and the community, but not like a surgeon or a doctor or engineer is. So you have high aspirations. But if I study these unbeneficial sciences or knowledge due to being compelled to do this, inshallah it's a win-win, and Allah knows best.